Rising bills? Unstable grid? Wasted solar energy? We have the solution. Aura 5000, 5 kilowatt hours, 2.3 kilowatt. Swift movement, one-step installation. 2300 watt AC input. 800 watt AC output. Enable the Power Plus feature manually to boost output power up to 2300 watt. AC coupled freedom. 100% inverter compatibility with retrofit any existing solar system. Zero wasted energy. AC coupled easy setup. Simply plug the microinverter directly into your Aura 5000. Store extra solar energy into your battery. Smart Energy Management AI Smart Scheduling for Dynamic Tariff. 24/7 real-time response to price fluctuations with intelligent charge and discharge switching. Zero energy waste. Compatible smart meter. Shelly 3M, Shelly Pro 3M, Everhome Eco Tracker. Chargy Sparky P1 meter. A SAM 51. SAM 51. Local smart control. No network requirement. 2500 watt off-grid capability. Not afraid of power outages. Fast response in 20 milliseconds. Turn off the screen and quiet charge and discharge at night to provide you with a better sleeping environment. -30°C startup and IP66 waterproof. Plug and play for up to 2 stacked units. Panel installation for up to 4 parallel units. Endless green power, effortless savings.